Dear God, the hope I have in you is the beginning of my possibilities, my dreams, my future. Today is the beginning of the rest of my calendar of days. May I openly face all that you have for me. I wonder who you will place in my path. Will I find an open door where I least expect it? Will one step forward today be the start of the something great and of your hand? I meditate on your promises, Lord. They fill my heart and my mind throughout the night. Now let me put my faith in those promises as a new day is born. Amen.